Good morning. Today we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. I'm going to show you guys what a typical day looks like for me on the food front. I'm going to take you from breakfast through dinner, just super easy recipes. They're healthy, they're easy to do. If you guys are wondering where I am, I'm currently at my boyfriend's apartment because I spend like 75% of my time here. So I've really developed a routine over here with him. So I'm here a lot of the time and my groceries are here because I'm here so much. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more food style videos from me. First and foremost, coffee, because your girl cannot even function without a cup of coffee, and it's just the best part of the day, so let's do that. Water is starting to boil. If you've been following me for a while now, you know that this is my favorite coffee of all times. This is from Trader Joe's. It's the organic Bolivian blend. I like to grind it at home freshly. Alex doesn't have a grinder, so we grind it in Trader Joe's. You have the option to do that. It smells so freaking good, and it honestly is such a great coffee. All right, so I'm going to do some of this berry medley: strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. I'm gonna throw some of that in there. Some of the spinach, gonna throw that in there too. I'm gonna put in some vanilla almond milk. This is my key secret to a smoothie because it's got a little bit of that vanilla, makes it sweet and yummy and creamy. Another secret to your smoothie is frozen fruit because that gives it the icy feeling that you want. I'm gonna put a little bit extra of this. There we go. Perfect. That's how we want it to look. Yes. It's so good. It's crazy that this is good for you because it does taste just like ice cream or popsicle. Time to get into lunchtime. A salad is my go-to in the afternoons. It's a super easy way to fill me up with some greens when I can't be bothered to cook midday while I'm working. I usually buy butter lettuce and add celery. I love the taste celery adds to a salad. Chopping up some cherry tomatoes into halves, adding in some turkey for some protein. Obviously, if you're vegetarian, you can skip this step. I think the trick to these salads is to use whatever veggies you have in your refrigerator because it's a great way to make sure you don't let anything you got at the grocery store go to waste. This carrot ginger miso dressing has been my absolute favorite. The ginger adds such a delicious, sweet, and spicy taste to the salad, and I am not shy with this stuff. Then I just mix it all up and enjoy. If I feel like something sweet, I like to go for dates. They are a great, healthy, sweet, and natural snack to have around. It's dinner time. I have been having such a good time with dinner lately. I look forward to cooking at the end of the day. Tonight I will show you an easy but delicious salmon recipe. Alex and I picked up this Larapin's marinade when we were in Northern California. Shout out to those of you in Trinidad. You definitely know the place. I add garlic to the mix and allow it to soak for at least a couple of hours in the fridge. When it's time to cook the salmon, I add some chopped tomato and a tiny bit of finely chopped red onion or scallions to the top of the fish and wrap it in tin foil with the cherry tomatoes to bake. We have been loving baked garlic as well, like one big piece of garlic with some olive oil. We just throw it in the oven with the fish at 400 degrees. The fish will bake for about 25 minutes and the garlic for 45 minutes. It is so unbelievably delicious and the garlic is so good for you. I am obsessed with artichoke, and this is not an exaggeration. I've been obsessed with artichoke my whole life. There is something so great about a globe of artichoke just cooked the right way. Oh God. god, with butter and lemon. Ugh! I cut the very end of the stem and the tip of the leaves, then place them in the pot of boiling water. After 15 minutes, I bring the water to a simmer and allow it to cook for another 15 minutes, 30 minutes in total cook time for the artichoke. When the garlic is ready, you just add some pepper to it and enjoy it just like that. You can always add it to the artichoke or put it on the fish if you want. You can add it to anything, but we love eating it just the way it is. The salmon will be looking beautiful when it comes out of the oven. I like to remove the skin and serve. I also add some broccolini to the mix. I cook mine in a pan with olive oil, then top with red chili pepper, shaved Parmesan, squeezed some lemon on top, and added some lemon slices, mostly for aesthetic. For the artichoke, I add some salt and pepper. I squeeze a ton of lemon and add as much butter as my heart desires. Now it is time for the best part. Serve and enjoy.
So good.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and that it gave you some inspiration for things to cook in your daily life. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys super soon in an all-new self-care summer video. Bye.